Today I will be doing a video of corn snake handling. I have a baby and a juvenile, but she's about 2 years old. The babies, you don't want to handle them too much, they might get stressed. Now if they're going into something, grab them by the tail very lightly. But if they're under, all you have to do is go under their stomach like that, and you'll be fine. One thing you do not want to do is pin them down by their head or hold them by their neck like that, because it's going to be very stressful to them. But yeah, it's as stressful as you want to. So this is a small corn snake. You always want to hold them from the stomach. You can grab them by the tail depending on where they're going. Do not pin them down like that. It's very stressful to them. So here's that one. Here that one. Oh, and I'm using containers. I always ask your mom put air holes in it so they can breathe. There's two other containers it's feeding for the little corn snake. I messed up on that one. If you're using a knife, twist it. Don't go straight in. Now grab this bigger one. As you notice, I'm going softly, not viciously getting her. And see how she's nice and calm. She's okay. Not trying to get away. She's not trying to get away. I'm just gonna sit her right there. But here's the difference when you sit a smaller one on the bed. Tries to get away. She has different colorations. All you have to do is hold them by the stomach. You really do not want to run with them. That could cause them to poop or get this nasty stuff out or bite you. I know that happened with me with one of my snakes that I had in Germany. As you notice, I got that bigger tank over there. See? Can't get the top off this one. But all you need is to hold them go from under the stomach. Most of it, depending on how they age, like if it's a newborn, like if you bred them or got them from a breeder that just bred it and they hatched, you really don't want to handle them much. You might just want to keep them in for feed them honey and just house them together until they're about 4 months old. Because you might want to just kind of house them together for the first year. House them separately for the first part 5 to 6 months, 10 months, 10, 11 months. So that way you can tell which sex they are. As you can see, this one's my big female. I'm not sure yet. Put you in there. Are you gonna go now? Are you going now? They don't. Shit, I thought of that first. Hey, get back here. And feeding, all you need is a little deliware cup. I didn't put holes in this one because it's harder plastic than this top. So I'm gonna have to use a wire hanger and just put 4 holes in the top for feeding. And I will be doing a feeding video. I fed the little one, but she actually regurgitated her food. I found that out this morning. And just don't want to play with them too much.